Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix error. Please check your network connection in Windows 11. Click on search bar and type CMD. Click here to open it. Now these all commands are very important. To avoid mistakes, just copy each and every command from the description below and paste it on command prompt and hit enter to execute commands. These commands will reset your IP address and everything related to your error. And after that, close the command prompt and just restart your system. And there we go, your problem will be solved and you're good to go.